Good day to you. This is Rain, founder of Forex Academy Private Limited. So today on the Trade Ideas Educator, let's look at Euro Yen. Euro Yen on the daily chart have a very strong bearish movement. Then the market break and close above the high price over here. Let's see how it goes. Alright, so such movement, it may indicate a further deeper movement or a reversal has already took place because this is a very strong bullish engulfing. Alright, so head down to the 4-hour chart. Likewise, something very similar as well. You can see a very strong engulfing candle. Then the market continue to go up and it sit very nicely on the support. To the 1-hour chart, this is what I have. Even stronger bullish candle. You can see based on the engulfing, the same candle we are looking at. Back to the daily chart, I'll share with you my analysis. My analysis on the daily chart remain unchanged. Still waiting for a countertrend trading opportunity at 119.86 at this bullish back pattern. Too bad we are a bit shy at 120.05. The market chose to reverse against us. We are 15 pips away before the trade is triggered. This bullish back pattern is still valid. Let's see if the market retests and give us an opportunity to engage the trade. To the 4-hour chart, right now market has retraced back into the sell zone. So for trend traders who are looking for a selling opportunity, you can consider to do so. I personally won't because it's near to the end of this bullish candle, and with this engulfing candle, the trend might change. Alright, to the 1-hour chart, nothing much over here. So that's all I have for you today. If you love to see the development of this trade, join us live on this Wednesday, Singapore time, 6:08 p.m. at www.facebook.com/forexhammer.org. Check the link below. Till then, remember always, plan your trend, trade your plan, and I will see you soon on the next video.